Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the capture interface with Shift Command 5. This gives you all tools at once. Make sure your display scale and notifications are set so captures are clean, because visual clutter ruins screenshots. Choose Entire Screen, a window, or drag to select an area, and then click Capture. Once done, the thumbnail appears lower right. You can drag it into folders or edit immediately. This sequence gets you a usable image in seconds without extra apps. After capture, click the thumbnail to open markup so you can crop, add arrows, or type labels. These edits preserve context and reduce rework. If you need multiple images, use Finder Quick Actions to batch, rotate, or convert formats quickly, which streamlines delivery. Make sure to save with Command-S or drag the image to a project folder. Once saved, export from preview to change format or resolution. This ensures compatibility for email, web, or print without recomposing the screenshot. Finish by sharing immediately. Use the Share menu for mail, messages, or AirDrop so recipients get the exact file you edited. Make a habit of moving images to dated folders and applying tags. This practice saves time when you search later. If capture shortcuts stop working, check System Settings, Privacy and Security, then screen recording permissions for the app capturing. Toggling permission off and on often restores function. That fix resolves most permission-related failures quickly, and you can resume work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.